Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are
How
you?
are you, ma'am? Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Good afternoon, ma'am.
afternoon, children. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, are you all doing the regular works?
Yes, morning, ma'am.
And you as homework, right? The classwork part and homework
Morning, ma'am.
should be
Yes,
completed.
ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. When class work finished, homework finished.
Okay.
No, ma'am. Class work finished. One homework. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, all of you.
Ma'am. When I send homework.
Okay, I saw Ashish. Let us start the class, children. Whatever the works I'm going to give you, you have to do on daily basis only. Don't put pending. Again, it becomes burden to you only, children. Ashish, you are showing something? Clock? Is it a clock? Nothing? Are you all preparing clock? Sanidhi, put it reverse. Put it properly. You have kept it reverse. Rotate it, Nana. Rotate it. Yes. Now tell me. Very good. What's the time in it, Sanidhi?
6:20.
Very good. It's 6:20. See, whenever you are guessing time, you have to see the time properly. The hands. Shorter hand which is there shows the hours, and the longer hand that shows the minutes. So it is the time is which where the Sanidhi is showing there. What is the time there? It's 6:20. 6 hours 20 minutes. How many minutes pass? So in what, how many different ways you can tell that time? Netra, sit properly. Yeah, Ashish, try to make it more attractive on a chart or on a with thermocol sheet. Okay. Yeah, Indivar. Okay, fine. Very nice, Indivar. Preserve these projects, children. While submitting your books, you have to bring all these and you have to submit. You'll be getting marks for it. Got it? Indivar, it's very nice. Show me the time in it. So for Sanidhi's clock, yeah, Ashish. Okay, good. Try to do it very more beautiful. Okay. What? See, in Sannidhi's time, it's 6:20. In one more way, how can you read it? As 20 minutes past 6. Otherwise, in one more way, we can call it as 40 minutes to what? 40 minutes
7.
to? Very good, Sannidhi. 40 minutes to 7. And here, just a little mistake is there. See, while you show this 6 hours, no, the hours hand should move a little bit forward. It should be in the middle of, not exactly in the middle, but it should pass 6 also. You have shown the hours hand exactly on 6. Whenever the minutes are going to pass, even the hours hand also will be moving a little. Okay, so this 6, the hours hand should be shown a little forward afterward 6, not exactly on 6. Yes, Darwin, tell me
Ma'am,
again.
tomorrow I'll do the clock, ma'am.
Okay, you do it and show me. And
But
Ashwin,
I have
show me
digital
your
clock.
time. Show me your time on it. What time you have shown in your clock? Digital clock. Is it a digital clock, Darwin?
Ma'am.
Very good. It's 12 in it. Only the number will be shown directly in that. Okay. Ashish, what happened?
Ma'am, this is an analog clock.
Yeah, analog clock. Very good. But actually, it's a watch. Okay, wrist watch, right?
Yes,
Wrist
ma'am.
watch. Now let's move to next. Take out your notebooks, children. No. First, let us do the part which is left over in course book. Page number 5. Course book, page number 5. course book, page 5. Question 2. Read the question, all of you. Draw the hands of the clocks to show the time mentioned under each one below. Here, a clock, empty clock is given, as well as the time is shown there in different way. Like exact time is not shown there. But according to that statement, you have to understand the question and you have to put the hands on proper places. Like, see, draw the hands of the clocks to show the time mentioned under each one below. Let me show you one thing, one example. Remaining all you have to do. Okay. Now here under it, it is shown like 10 minutes to 5. 10 minutes to 5. Still 10 more minutes are there to 5. Tell me in one more way, how can you tell the time? What is the time actually? Now, according to this statement, we have to say the proper time now. Tell me, Ashish.
4:39.
Why 4:39? It's
And
10
minutes
minutes to 5, right? Not 9 minutes to 5. Not 11 minutes to 5. Yes, Nandini.
4:50.
Very good. It's 4:50. See, yesterday we have learned in how many different ways we can write time. So one way is given here. According to that, you can write two more different ways. What is that? You can either write the exact time, otherwise you can write like 10 minutes to 5. Still 10 more minutes are there to reach 5, it seems. To become 5, still 10 more minutes are there. That means before where it was? Before where it was? It was near, just reached, sorry, just past 4 and it is near 10. Means 10 more minutes. After 10 minutes, this shorter hand will come exactly on 5 and longer hand will move to 12. Then only it becomes 5 o'clock. That means 10 more minutes are there. Cannot able to see here. Once I'll try, sir. Just be online, sir. Okay, I have admitted, sir. See, 10 minutes to 5. So here, for what was the time before? It was 4:50. After 10 minutes, the longer hand shifts towards 12 exactly and shorter hand will be on 5. So actually, in one more way, how can we write this time as it's 4:50? Okay, still 10 more minutes. After 10 minutes, it becomes what? 5 o'clock. How much? 5 o'clock. After 10 minutes. So the exact time is how much? 4:50. In one more way, how you can write this time? 50 minutes past 4 also you can write. Am I right, children? Yesterday you all have learned, right? 50 minutes past 4, not 5. After 4, 50 minutes passed. But to reach 5, how many minutes still left? 10 minutes. So instead of writing like this way, here he asked to draw the hands, right? To draw the hands, what if you know the exact time, you can easily draw the hands. Okay, the time is 4:50. The time is actually how much, children? It's 4:50. So let me draw the hands and let me show you. 4. 4 is what? Hour's hand. Hour's hand should not be exactly on 4. It should move a little. It should pass 4. It should not be exactly on 4. It should just pass 4. Like you can show it in the middle of 4 and 5 also. Why? Because this is not an accurate clock here which I have drawn. So that's why I'm just intimating you not to draw exactly on 4, but you can just move the hand after 4. That means nearer to 5. And then here on 10, if you show 10 fives are is how much, children? 10 fives are is 50, right? That means 50 minutes. Here you have to show minutes as 50, right? How you can confirm it is 50? Just check by multiplying the given numbers by 5. It's 10 fives are is 50. So you can just put your minutes hand here. Now draw all of you properly. I should not see anybody drawing exactly the hours hand on 4. It should just pass 4. It should be middle of 4, 4 and 5. Means nearer to 5 it should reach. The shorter hand should reach nearer to 5, but not exactly on 4 or 5. See, 4 is here and 5 is here. How I should show this hours hand, which is short ones, should be shown like this. I'm not showing either, I'm not showing not exactly on 4 or 5. Okay. And this minutes hand should be exactly on 10. It's 4:50. Time is how much? 4:50. Under this, see, the question is actually 10 minutes to 5, right? So you can write here this timing also, so that you can put the proper, you can draw proper hands on a clock. Those who have completed A bit can go to B bit. Question is 35 minutes past 3. Someone you tell me what is the exact time? 35 minutes past 3. 35 minutes past 3. What is the exact time?
3.
Ah,
3:35.
very good. It's 3:35. So write down the exact time under the clock and draw the hands according to that. Write the exact time under the clock and draw. I have admitted, no? Joined. Hmm. On your videos, children. Joining in the process. One more there. Maybe it takes time, I think. Okay. So now you people draw the hands for the time 3:35. You have to show now. B bit. See, the time is 35 minutes past 3 can be written as 3:35. Hours hand should be where and minutes hand should be where. You only decide and put the hands. Samanyu, very good. Perfect. Sanidhi, why you are holding that with you? Why you are holding that emoji with you now? Put it aside. Put it aside, Nana. Is it a pencil? Okay, okay. Write down. Draw the hands. Ashish, it's 3:35. Time is 3:35, not 3:20. You have drawn the hands nearer to 20 minutes. It should be 35 minutes. 35 means you divide 35 by 5. How much you will get? 7. Means the minutes hand should be on 7. Wherever you get the minutes, no, you just divide that by 5. 5 sevens are is 35, right? So the minutes hand should be on 7. Ashish. Vinmay. Vinmay, show it properly. It's not clear. Vinmay, you have drawn the minutes hand perfectly, but what about this hours hand? It should be after 3, not before 3. Rub it and do it again. Yes, Sai Kirtan, it's perfect. Minutes hand, hours hand should be after 3, not before 3. It should be middle of 3 and 4. Puriya, correct. Nana, perfect. Nirvi, correct. Draw the hours hand a little bit bigger. Very small it is. Faizan, perfect. Sanvi, perfect. Very good. You have done all the remaining things also. Netra, which one you are showing to me? Show me B bit, Netra. What about others? Why don't you switch on your videos? Shall I list out your names and submit there in the front office? Switch on your videos, children. I'll not be repeating again and again. Siri, what happened to you? Siri Chandana, Lasya, Sritan, Sanvi, Nirvi. Nirvi, what is that? Which one you are showing? 10 minutes to 12. 10 minutes to 12 means, how can it be 10:50? After 10:50, after 10 minutes, it will become 12. Will it become 12, Nirvi? See bit. Change it once again and do it. You're confusing a lot, Nirvi. Try to understand the concept properly. Other problems also you people can do. 10 minutes to 12. Wrong, Uriya. See, 10 minutes to 12 means you have drawn the yeah, Sadgun, is it okay now? Okay. Draw the hands, proper hands according to the question. Course book page number 5. Course book page number 5. See, Hurya, for 10 minutes means you have kept the minutes hand okay on 10. But which one? 10 minutes to 12. On 10 you have kept, but what about this 12? You have drawn this hours hand after 12, no? You have drawn hours hand after 12, right? It should be after 11. It should reach to 12. Why you have kept after 12? It should reach to 12. No, 10 minutes to 12. 12 o'clock doesn't complete. We have not reached to the 12 o'clock. We should reach to 12 o'clock. Means hours hand should be nearer to 12 but not should not exceed 12. Faizan, 7:25, 25 minutes past 7. Very good. 7:25 and 10 minutes to 12. 10 minutes to 12. Very good. Faizan, but you are showing both the hands of same size. Ours hand should be little bit smaller. Okay. Nirvi, it is okay now. Good. 11. See, just pass this ours hand after 11. Now all of you check the answer. I'll show here now. See, the question is, which one? B bit I have not shown, 35 minutes past 3. It's 3:35. See, the hours hand should be in the middle of 3 and 4, and longer hand, minutes hand should be exactly on 7. So that the time is 3:35. Nirvi, it's 7:25. Correct. No, 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 wrong. Wrong. Nirvi, again you made a mistake while drawing hours hand. Smaller hand. Minutes hand is okay. Everybody is drawing properly. But whereas this shorter hand should be proper. That also should be proper. Kritik, have you done D bit? Netra, wait a minute. Something is covering here. 3:35. Okay, correct, Netra. Urya, 7:25. Very good. Correct. Kritik, have you done D bit? Siddhant. Very good, Siddhant. Correct. Kritik, show it properly, Nana. Show it clearly. Yeah, correct. Good. Now let me show you only D bit. Now make it fast. See where I am placing this hours hand. All of you should observe. Hours hand. Only the problem you are facing near hours hand. See, 25 minutes past 7. 25 minutes past 7 can be written as 7:25. It's not 25 minutes to 7. Nirvi, which one you are showing? Okay. Now, see, it's 3, 6, 1, 9. Answer the time is 7:25. How you have to show hours hand should be, first try to put minutes hand so that you will understand where it is. See, listen, I'll tell you one method, easier method. First try to put the minutes hand. Okay, where I should put 25 means 25 divided by 5 you do. How much? 5 5s are is 25. Put the minutes hand first, and then you think about the hours hand, where you should put. It should not be exactly on 7. Why? Because it has completed 25 minutes, no? Then hours hand also starts moving. Why it will be on exactly 7 only? It also starts moving, right? Then it will come in the middle of 7 and 8. It will show towards this point. Understood? Like this you can show. Suppose it is 7 o'clock, then if it is 7 o'clock, 7, see the zeros. Whenever you see zeros in the minutes place, Kritik, listen carefully. Whenever you see zeros, Netra. Now listen, Netra. What I am saying here, you listen carefully, all of you. Whenever zeros are there in the minutes place, put the minutes place. Minutes, just be strucking here. See, whenever you want to show the first, look at the minutes place. Zeros are there. Then immediately you put the minutes hand, longer hand on 12. Then come to Sadgun. Wait, Nana, let me complete my explanation. See, now 7 is there. 7, where we have to keep 7? 7 should be, see, sorry, where we have to keep this hours hand should be kept exactly on 7 whenever it is 0 in the minutes place. Okay. Whenever it is 0 in the minutes place, then you have to put exactly the minute hours. Pranav, look at the screen. Hours hand should be kept exactly on 7. If suppose the time is 9 o'clock, then look at the minutes, zeros. Then put the minutes hand on 12 and you put hours hand exactly on 9. Suppose the time is 9:40. Then what you people are doing is you are putting 9 on the same place and you are shifting this only minutes hand you are shifting. This is not proper. Why? Because whenever these minutes are moving, minutes are passing, hours hand also starts moving, right? For that sake, how you have to do? First look at the minutes hand, 40. Then 40 divided by 8 is how much? 5, right? 8 5s are 40, 8 1s are 8 5s are 40. Then put the minutes hand exactly on 8. And now you think about the hours hand. What is there near hours? 9. You should not put exactly on 9. Why? Because already we have completed 40 minutes. Means it is nearer to 10 o'clock. Means it should reach 12, 60 minutes. For that, here you have to put this hours hand after 9. You can take after middle part after, you can put this arrow mark like this. Understood no children? Now let me go to next. Open your notebook, write some little part, conversion of units of time, and then we'll do the calculations in page number 7. Open your notebooks. Right, take a fresh page. Conversion of units of time. See, whoever are preparing clock, write down the exact time which you are mentioning with the hands. Okay, you have those who are preparing this clock, no, you have to mention the time on it also. Sadgun, yeah, something you were showing, you have raised your hand for what purpose?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah.
Answer. Sadgun, you want to give
Ma'am,
the answer?
course book.
Course,
Course book, ma'am.
yeah,
That's
I
right.
have seen it. Just now somebody was showing that. No, I have seen it. You send me again to this WhatsApp. The pic, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now let
Okay.
us go to this conversion of units of time. The heading is in the notebook. Put conversion of units of time. How can we convert the units of time? What are the units of time actually? What are the units of time, Nirvi? Nirvi, what are the units of time? Start from lower units onwards. Sanvi, tell me what are the units of time? Units of time. What are the units of length? What are the units of length? Pranav,
It's break time.
what are the units of length?
11:40 already. Mom,
Netra,
come on.
Netra, tell me what are the units of time?
Ma'am,
What are the units of time?
hours,
Very
minutes,
good.
seconds.
Yeah, this answer I need actually. What are the units of time? Not only this, see, seconds, minutes, hours are the minimum units of time. Not only that, depending on the time, what are the things used to change? Days are going to change, days are going to move, months are going to move, years are going to move, right? So these are also the units of time only. Got it? Not only seconds, minutes, and hours, days, months, years also comes under units of time only. But for today, let us discuss about these things like hours, minutes, and seconds. Okay, write down. Mute yourself, Netra. All of you, those who I have unmuted, mute yourself. 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. Remember it carefully. After 60 minutes only, see, suppose it is 2 o'clock. After 60 minutes, it becomes 3 o'clock. One minute is equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. After 60 seconds only, it becomes 1 minute. Suppose the time is 3, 4. 3, 4. 3 hours, 4 minutes. Then after 60 seconds, it becomes 3, 5. Understood? See, yesterday in timer, we have shown this 60 seconds part also this side, beside 2 minutes, right? One more. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Take them. Based on these units, based on this conversion of units, let us do the course book page 6. After you complete this, but your notebook also should be open. Why? Because the calculation part we are going to do in the notebook only. Open your course book page 6. Let the notebooks also open. Pranav, read this question, page 6. You want to read, Nirvi? Yes.
Ma'am, I know all of the answers.
You know all the answers, but read the question first. Calculation part, have you done in the notebook?
6 minutes is equal to
Nirvi, I didn't ask you the answers, please. I told you to read the question, Nana.
6 minutes. That's how many seconds?
What is the main heading? You people are just forgetting about the main heading.
Convert each
Yes,
unit
that I need.
of time as indicated. Use your notebook for calculation.
Got it, children? See, the question is convert each unit of time as indicated. See, here we are converting minutes to seconds, hours to minutes, hours to seconds again. All these things we are doing. Days are converted to minutes, days are converted to hours. See, bigger unit we are taking and we are converting into smaller unit. See, in this one statement, which you can see on the board, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. In this one, tell me which is a bigger unit, Nirvi, and which is the smaller unit.
What, ma'am?
1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Look at the first statement on the board and tell me which is a smaller unit and which is a bigger unit. Yes? Don't know. But you have done it. Completed. Answers. Try to listen my explanation carefully, Nirvi. Nowadays you are neglecting a little bit. I cannot hear your voice, Nirvi. Yeah, Darwin. Darwin, tell me, in hours and
Ma'am.
minutes, which is a smaller unit and which is a bigger unit?
Ma'am.
In hours and minutes is the smaller unit. Hours and minutes are the units of time, right?
Yes,
But
ma'am.
which is the smaller unit out of those two?
Minutes.
Very good. Minutes are the smaller units than hours. Now tell me, hours and days are there. Days also are the units of time, right? Now tell me, hours are
Yes, ma'am.
out of hours and days, which is the bigger unit?
Days.
Very good, very good. I need this kind of answers. Very good. So now let us convert bigger units into smaller units. If I give you a statement like 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, tell me, did I convert this into smaller units? Did I convert into higher units into smaller units?
No, ma'am.
No, I have converted. Viraj, tell me. Your one
Yes, ma'am. You can't.
Yeah, it's conversion only. It's conversion only. Hours are converted into minutes here. But whereas the value will be changed. Whenever you convert bigger units into smaller units, the value will be changed there. So depending on the standard values, let us do some more problems which are there in the course book. See, first question is what? First question is A bit. 6 minutes. All of you mute yourself. 6 minutes is equal to dash seconds. Means you have to convert this 6 minutes into seconds. Just now we have converted 1 minute into 6 seconds, right? Don't play with it, Sanidhi. That's why I told you not to hold that. Listen carefully, all of you. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, right? Here, 6 minutes are said to be converted into seconds. How many seconds? Last year, on your video and tell me the answer.
Ma'am,
On your video first.
ma'am,
Tell me the answer for it. 1 minute is equal to how many seconds?
ma'am, can I say? Ma'am,
1 minute is equal to how many seconds?
1 minute into how many seconds? 1 minute, 60 seconds.
Okay, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Then tell me 6 minutes is equal to how many seconds?
6 minutes.
Tell me what you were doing. What you were doing by just switching off your video. Show me the hands which you have drawn in the course book. The before page I made you to do, right? Last year. Show me page number 5. 5 I said. 5. Have you drawn all the hands properly?